Hi students, good morning all of you. Text me, all things okay? Text me fast, all things okay? Audio, video. Hi students, good morning. Text me. Can I start? Topic is chemical kinetics, and I had already discussed 40 questions based on chemical kinetics, rate of reaction, experimental rate law, and change in rate due to change in conc of different order reactant. Clear? Okay. Listen, I'll discuss about half-life of first order reactant. Listen carefully. Half-life of first order reactant. In first order reactant, T half is equal to 0.693 by K. Clear? It is half-life of first order reactant. Always keep in mind, half-life of first order reactant is constant. Listen, T half, because 0.693 is constant term. Sorry. Half-life of first order reactant, T half is equal to 0.693 by K. Listen, and 0.693 is constant, and K is also rate constant of first order reaction, and hence T half is equal to constant. T half is equal to constant, and T half constant means, listen, it's independent from conc of reactant, and hence it is also written as T half proportional to A to the power, listen, 1 minus A to the power 1 minus 1. That means A to the power 0, and A to the power 0 means 1 constant. Listen, half-life of first order reactant always independent from conc of reactant. Always keep in mind, for your examination, half-life of first order reactant is most important term. Most important term. Look at both. Now, question number 41. Question number 41. The rate constant of first order reaction 10 to the power minus 2 minute inverse. Listen, in your question given K is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 minute inverse. The half-life period of the reaction. Look at board. K is given, and it is given to calculate what will be half-life of first order. Why first order? Because it is given first order, and unit of K is time inverse, minute inverse, and unit of K time inverse only for first order, and hence half-life formula of first order is equal to 0.693 by K, and 0.693 dividing by K, and K is 10 to the power minus 2 minute inverse. Clear? When minute inverse goes to numerator, then it will be minute. 0.693 into 10 to the power minus 2 will be 10 to the power 2 minute. Now, according to option, listen, 693 minute, 0.693 and 69. When 2 decimal, 2 position right, then it will be 69.3 minute. Yes, and answer will be second number. Clear? Clear? K is equal to 10 to the power minus 2. Formula is equal to 0.693 by K. 0.693 by 10 to the power minus 2, and after calculation it will be 69.3. Text me about question number 41. Is it clear? First, about question number 41. First, text me about question number 41. Text me 41 question clear. First. Okay. Next. Now, question number 42. Look at both. For the first order reaction with the constant K, which expression gives half-life period? Listen, we know that in first order reaction, half-life is equal to T half is equal to 0.693 by K. Clear? Then 3 by 2 K squared, not 1 by K, no. 1 squared by K, no. And last option is, fourth number option, 0.693 by K into a to the power 0. Yes, because a to the power 0 is equal to 1 and hence it will be 0.693 by K. And hence correct answer of question number 42 is option number 4. Clear? Next. Now, question number 43. Look at both. The half-life period for first order reaction. Listen, half-life is given. Half-life is given 693 seconds. Clear? And it is clearly given half-life of first order. Order of reaction is first. The rate constant for the reaction. Listen, most important and similar to your CE examination, half-life given. What will be rate constant in first order? We know that in first order, T half is equal to 0.693 by K. Then K is equal to 0.693. Listen, dividing by half-life, and half-life given 693 seconds. 693. Listen, can I write 693 10 to the power minus 3 dividing by 693, and when second goes to numerator, then it will be second inverse. Both are cancelled. Answer will be 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse. Option first, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001. Yes, 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse. Option number 3 correct. It will be 10 to the power minus 4, not correct. And hence, answer K is equal to 0.001 second inverse. Most important and similar to your examination. Clear? Question number 43. Next. Question number 44. For the first order reaction, A convert into product, half-life is, listen, in this question, half-life given, T half is equal to 100 seconds. The rate constant of the same type, only data is different. Listen, half-life given, rate constant. We know that K is equal to 0.693 dividing by half-life and hence 100 seconds. Clear? After calculation, it will be 0.693 into 10 to the power minus 2 second inverse. Now, according to option, 6.93, no, 6.93 10 to the power minus 3. Listen, actually 0.693 10 to the power minus 2 and hence it may be 6.93 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse. And hence option number 2 correct. 6.93 10 to the power minus 4 not correct. 6.93 10 to the power minus 2 no. 0.693 10 to the power minus 2 correct. And hence correct answer will be second number. Tell me about question number 44. Next. Question number 45, but text me about 44. Is it clear? Text me fast. About question number 44. Text me fast. About question number 44. Okay. All students, text me fast about question number 44. 44 number clear? Okay. Now, next question. Question number 45. 45 is the first order rate constant for decomposition of N2O5. Listen, always keep in mind N2O5 is first order reactant and it is already given first, but always keep in mind decomposition of N2O5 is first order reaction. But in this question, it is given first order and rate constant K is equal to 6.2 10 to the power minus 4. Second inverse. Clear? K is given. Now, half-life period for decomposition. Listen, it is first order. Already given first order. We know that N2O5 first order reactant and third term, unit of K time inverse, already first order. Now, what will be half-life? Listen, T half is equal to 0.693 dividing by K, and K is 6.2 10 to the power minus 4, second inverse, and it is also called, when second inverse goes nominator, then it will be second. Listen, in examination, how to calculate and how to reach correct option. Listen, 0.69, how to calculate? Can I write 0.693 dividing by 6.2 and 10 to the power 4, because in denominator minus 4, numerator plus 4, and second. Now, 160, this. Look at board. How to reach correct option? Can I write 69693 dividing by 6.20? Yes. Again, 693 dividing by 693 into 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power minus 3, dividing by, can I write for 6.2620 into 10 to the power minus 2? Yes or no? Yes or no? 6.210 10 to the power minus 2. Listen, plus 4 minus 3, 10. When 10 to the power goes to numerator, then it will be 693 dividing by 620 into 1000. Second inverse. Listen, up numerator 693, denominator 620. That means it will be 1.1. 1.1. Approximate 1.1. 1.6. No. 1.1. It is possible. 1.1. No. 10 to the power 3. And hence it will be 1.1 into 1000. And when multiplied by 1000, then it will be 1117.7 second, and hence answer number 2 is correct. Text me about question number 45. How to reach on correct answer? Calculation. According to option, 693 into 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power 4 dividing by 620, 10 to the power minus 2, and after calculation, it will be 1117.7 second, Text me about question number 45. Is it clear? Fast. Text me about question number 45. Fast. 45 number question clear? Okay. Sasank Pokhrel, listen. It may be 693 by 62, बट मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया 10 टू दी पावर -2 कर दिया, इसलिए एक जीरो मैंने यहाँ पे ऐड कर दिया है. ये चलेगा. 6.2 करेंगे तो 10 का पावर -1 करना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने सीख चुकी, मैंने इसके टर्म में ले लिया, अप्रोक्सीमेट कर दिया मैं, अप्रोक्स. ये 1.1 लाने के लिए किया था. तो आप अगर आप 62 करोगे तो 10 पॉइंट समथिंग. क्लियर? 45 नंबर क्लियर. नो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. For a reaction, the rate constant is, listen, rate constant is K is equal to 2.34 second inverse the half life period for the reaction. आप लोग इस क्वेश्चन को आराम से देखिए. फॉर ए रिएक्शन, समझिए एग्जाम के लिए बोल रहा हूं. फॉर ए रिएक्शन, आपको यहां पे इन दिस क्वेश्चन ऑर्डर इज नॉट क्लियर इन स्टेटमेंट, बट जब के का वैल्यू दे रहा है तो ये सेकेंड इनवर्स है, और सेकेंड इनवर्स ओनली एप्लीकेबल फॉर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर. इसीलिए ये फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का के, और हम जो भी काम करेंगे वो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पे करेंगे. क्लियर? कैसे समझे फर्स्ट ऑर्डर? ये यूनिट को देख के आपको समझे. मैंने आपके पीछे के लेक्चर में क्लियर किया है, मैं एक बार रिवाइज करता हूं. लिसन, जीरो ऑर्डर यूनिट ऑफ के, जीरो ऑर्डर मोल पर लीटर पर टाइम. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर टाइम इनवर्स. सेकेंड इनवर्स सेकेंड ऑर्डर मोल इनवर्स लीटर इनटू टाइम इनवर्स. थर्ड ऑर्डर मोल टू दी पावर -2 लीटर स्क्वायर टाइम इनवर्स. क्लियर? तो इट इज गिवन सेकेंड इनवर्स and hence order of the reaction is first. Now question is, what is half life? We know that in first order T half is equal to 0.693 2.34. आपको ये दिया सेकेंड इनवर्स. आप लोग बोर्ड पे कंसंट्रेट करें, आपको ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग कैसे पहुंचना है. लुक एट बोर्ड. क्या मैं इसको राइट करूं 693 10 to the power -3 dividing by 234 and 10 to the power -2. यहां पे मैंने -3 अलग किया, -2. ये सेकेंड इनवर्स को आप अपर लेके चल जाए तो ये हो जाएगा सेकेंड. लिसन, अब आप देखो इजीली ये कैंसिल होगा, -3 -2, ऊपर में 0.1 10 to the power -1 बचेगा. क्लियर? और यहां देखो 2 3 जा 6 और 3 3 जा 9. क्लियर? अप्रोक्सीमेट ये हो जाएगा, अप्रोक्सीमेट ये हो जाएगा 3 इंटू 10 टू दी पावर -1 सेकेंड एंड हेंस 0.3 सेकेंड, 0.3 सेकेंड एंड हेंस ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट करेक्ट. अगर आपको किसी को डॉट लगे तो आप मुझे टेक्स्ट कीजिए, और नहीं डॉट लगे तो टेक्स्ट में ये लिखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. कैलकुलेशन का फ्रेमिंग दिखा रहा हूं. क्यों आखिर मैंने ऐसे किया? क्योंकि ऑप्शन के अकॉर्डिंग सेट करना था. आप क्वेश्चन को जब भी कैलकुलेट करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑप्शन करेंगे. नो, Tell me about 46. Is it clear? First, 46 number. First, about question number 46. Okay, 46 clear. Next, 46 clear. Okay. Now, question number 47. Listen, the half-life period carbon 614. Look at board. The half-life period carbon 614 is equal to disintegration constant. Listen. Radioactivity process is first order reactant. That means radioactivity process first order reaction. Radioactivity first order reaction. And hence half-life of carbon 614 disintegration rate constant is given. Listen, rate constant, it is in symbol I, but normally K is equal to 2.31 10 to the power minus 4 years inverse. Clear? And when years inverse, time inverse, it's of a first order kinetics. Clear? The K is given, and what will be half-life? The half-life, look at board, 0.693 by half-life 0.693 dividing by K, and K is given 2.31 10 to the power minus 4 years inverse. Can I write 0.693 by 2.31 10 to the power minus 4 को आप अपर ले जाओ 10 to the power 4 एंड ईयर्स इनवर्स हो जाएगा ईयर्स. क्लियर? क्लियर? अब देखो ऑप्शन को देख लीजिए आप. तो ऑप्शन में पावर 2 3 4 है. मैं कैन आई राइट? लिसन, क्या मैं इसे ऐसे लिखूं? देखो यहां पे आप कई तरह से लिख सकते हो, लेकिन मैं लिखता हूं 693 बाई 231. यहां पे आप लिख दोगे 10 टू दी पावर माइनस 3 10 टू दी पावर 4 डिवाइडिंग बाय 10 टू दी पावर माइनस 2 ईयर्स. अब देखो ये -2 -3 कैंसिल के बाद -1 बचेगा, और यहां 4 है तो पावर 4, तो माइनस पावर 1 प्लस 4 तो पावर 3 बचेगा. और यहां देखो अप्रोक्सीमेट, या ये तो एक्यूरेट है, ये जब कैंसिल होगा तो ये 3 हो जाएगा. तो इट विल बी 3 इंटू 10 टू दी पावर 3 ईयर्स. 3 इंटू 10 टू दी पावर 3 ईयर्स. And option number 4 clearly given 3 into 10 to the power 3. About 47, always keep in mind radioactivity is example of first order kinetics. Radioactivity is example of first order kinetics, and hence half-life is 3 into 10 to the power 3. Clear? Now next question, 48 number. Look at board. The half-life of first order reaction. Listen again, half-life of first order. Half-life of first order. T half is equal to 69.35 second. Half-life given. The value of rate constant K is equal to, we know that 0.693 dividing by 69.35 second. Listen. Can I write 693 into 10 to the power minus 3 dividing by, listen, 693.5 into 10 to the power minus 1 because 69, and when second inverse, second को आप अगर अपर ले जाओगे it will be second inverse. Listen, 693 dividing by 693.5, it will be approximate 1, approx 1, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 3. It will be 10 to the power minus 2 second inverse, and 10 to the power minus 2 means 0.01 second inverse, and hence option number third correct. Clear? Clear about 48 number. Next, question number 49. The first order reaction with rate constant K and initial constant A, half life period given by, listen, in first order reaction, half life many times discussed 0.693 by K. Clear? And T half is equal to constant. Clear? ln 2 by K. Listen, 1 by K, 3 by 2K square, and none of these. Listen carefully. ln 2, and ln 2 means, look at both, log base E2 dividing by K. And when log convert into base 10, log base E, then it will be 2.303 into log 2 dividing by K. Clear? And hence it will be 2.303 into value of log 2 is 0.301 dividing by K. Dividing by K, and after calculation it is 0.693 by K, and hence answer number first is correct. Clear? Option number first is correct. Why first is correct? Its explanation. Tell me about question number 49. Clear? Tell me about question number 49. About 49 number, tell me fast. Question number 49, clear? Text me about question number 45 fast. Okay. Next. Question number 50. Look at board. The half-life of radium. Again I am repeating. Radium is radioactive element, and radioactivity process is first order reaction, and it is given half-life of radium. Half-life of radium is T half is equal to 1620 years. The time taken to convert 10 gram of radium to 1.25 gram. Listen carefully. radium is first order reactant. How to identify radium is first order? All radioactive element disintegrate to first order kinetics, and hence radium is radioactive element and always follow first order kinetics, and half life of first order always constant. That means, listen carefully, any amount of first order reactant, any amount of first order reactant decompose half in fixed time. Listen, 10 gram radium to 1.25. Listen, 10 gram to 5 gram, half of 10 gram, and hence taken 16-20 years because half life. When 5 into 2.5, half, because half life first order do not depend upon the amount. Again, 16-20 years. But question is 1.25. When 2.5 convert into 1.25 gram, again 16-20 years. Clear? That means 3 half life. First half life 10 to 5, second half life 5 to 2.5, and third half life 2.5 to 1.25, and hence total time is equal to this plus this plus this, and after calculation it will be 3 into 16-20 years, and it will be 4860 years, and answer will be 4860, and first option is correct. Tell me about question number 50. You all, question number 50 clear? Tell me fast. Text, question number 50 clear. Text me about question number 50. Fast. Text me about question number 50. Is it clear? Okay. Next. Text me all students. Question number 50 clear? Okay. It's only applicable in first order because half-life of first order is constant. Radium is radioactive, and radioactive always follow first order kinetics. Okay. Next. Question number 51. Look at board. Amount of iodine at 53-128, it is radioactive, half-life 25 minutes, left after 75 minutes. Listen, half-life is given. Half-life is given 25 minutes, and it is also radioactive and follows first order kinetics. After 75 minutes left, listen, in term of 1 by 2, 1 by, in first half life, it will be 1 by 2. That means time taken 25 because it is half life. Question is after 75 minutes, 25, next 25 minutes, it will be 1 by 4. Yes or no? So 25, 25. After 50 minutes, it will be 1 by 4. But question is after 75, in next 25 minutes, it will be 1 by 8. And hence, after 75, 25, 25, 25, after 75 minutes, left 1 by 8, and hence, answer number 3 is correct. Clear? Very simple. 25, 1 by 2, next 25, 1 by 4, next 25, 1 by 8, because half-life is constant and each half-life amount convert into half of initial. The first half-life 1 by 2, in second half-life 1 by 4, total time first and second, that means 25, 25, 50, and in third half-life 1 by 8 and total time 75. Clear? Next. 52. If A and T half are initial count of reactant and half-life of zero order reaction, listen, which following is correct? Look at both. For zero order, half-life is equal to 0, sorry, A by 2K. Look at both. This is formula of half-life of zero order. T half is equal to A by 2K. T half is equal to A by 2K. And 2 and K are constant and hence it is directly proportional to A. T half proportional to A. आप लोग बोलोगे कि अभी तो आप बोल रहे थे कि हाफ लाइफ कांस्टेंट इन फर्स्ट ऑर्डर and in zero order, formula of half life of this, and hence 2K constant, half life proportional to initial count, half life 1 by A proportional, no, half life proportional to A, second number correct, half life 1 by A square, no, half life A square, no, and hence option number second is correct, most important. हालांकि आपका जो नेपाल का एग्जाम का सिलेबस मैंने देखा है उसमें नॉर्मली आपको फर्स्ट ऑर्डर ही पूछा जाएगा, लेकिन इसका मतलब नहीं कि जीरो हमको नहीं पढ़ना। हाफ लाइफ आपको सभी ऑर्डर का पढ़ना है, जीरो का भी, फर्स्ट का भी, सेकेंड का भी और थर्ड का भी। मैंने पीछे के लेक्चर में डिस्कस भी कर दिया है, बट अभी आपको मैं बता दूं ये फॉर्मूला है, ये कांस्टेंट है, तो हाफ लाइफ डायरेक्टली होगा। मुझे आप लोग टेक्स्ट करें about question number 52, is it clear? Text me first about question number 52, clear? Text me about 52 number first. Okay, question number 52 clear? First, text me all students. Question number 52 clear? Okay, text me all students. It is formula of half life of zero order, and hence always keep in mind in zero order half life proportional to initial count of reactant. Okay, next. Question number 53. The half life of reaction varies linearly. Question is linearly with initial count. Listen, look at both. Order half life in zero order half life A by 2K. First order half life 0.693 by K. Second order half life 1 by K. And third order half life 3 by 2 Ka squared. Relation. Listen. Relation. T half and A. T half proportional to A. Clear? Now, T half proportional to A to the power 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, and hence T half proportional to A. In second, T half constant. And now, in second number, that means first order. In question number of table number third, 1 by K, T half proportional to A to the power 1 by 2. That means inverse. And third number, T half proportional to A to the power 1 by 1 minus 3. And hence linear term, that means direct proportional only in T half proportional to 1 minus 0, that means 1, and hence linear relation only in 0 order. Not in first, because T half proportional 1 minus 1 constant, it is inverse, it is constant. In second order, 1 minus 2, that means minus 1, inverse relation. 1 minus 3, minus 2, a square of conc, inverse square of conc. And hence option number first, 0 order. Clear? 53 number. Next. Any dot in 53 linear relation. Text me about question number 53. Text me about question number 53. मैंने लिखा है सेकेंड और थर्ड का हाफ लाइफ, सेकेंड का 1 बाय के, थर्ड का 3 बाय 2 के स्क्वायर. मैंने राइट डाउन किया है, आप लोग राइट करो. फर्स्ट, about 53. Text me 53 number. Clear? Okay. Now, question number 54. At constant temperature, look at both, and at pressure 364 mm and 170 mm. The half-life of dissociation of this is 420 and 880 seconds respectively. Listen, when it is a table, look at both, most important, pressure and half-life. Pressure and half-life. Pressure is 364. Clear? Then half-life given 420. Now, pressure is 170. Pressure is 170 and it will be 880. Clear? Clear? What will be order? Pressure. Pressure, that means conc. For gaseous reactant, pressure is used instead of conc. Listen carefully. For gaseous reactant, pressure used instead of conc. That means it is conc. And it is clearly given when pressure decreases. Look at both. When pressure decreases, then half-life increases. Pressure decreases, half-life increases. What will be order? Possibility. Listen, 0 order never, because in 0 order, when conc increases, half-life increases. But when conc decreases, half-life increases, inverse relation, and hence 0 order never. Conc decreases, that is pressure decreases, half-life increases, never first order. Never 0, never first, because in first half life always constant. In zero, when pressure decreases, half life decreases because direct proportional. Then there are two options, second and third. Listen carefully. In second order, half life is equal to 1 by Ka. Clear? That means product of T half, that means T half into A is equal to 1 by K. Product of both are constant. Product. And listen, in third order, half life is 3 by 2 Ka squared. 3 by 2 Ka squared. And hence, T half into A square is equal to constant. T half into A square is equal to constant. Listen, when product of this and this and this and this approximate constant, then up order will be second. When product of half life and a square of this, product of half life, a square of this constant, then answer will be third. But listen, approximate half, approximate double, and hence आंसर विल बी सेकेंड ऑर्डर. आप करके चेक करो, ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट और ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट अप्रोक्सीमेट इक्वल होगा और ऑर्डर होगा सेकेंड. आपको ये याद रखना है, सेकेंड में हाफ लाइफ और कॉन्ग का प्रोडक्ट कांस्टेंट 1 बाय के, थर्ड में हाफ लाइफ और कॉन्ग के स्क्वायर का प्रोडक्ट कांस्टेंट और तब होगा थर्ड. और यहां पे आप देख लो सीधे अप्रोक्सीमेट हाफ, ये तो क्लियरली डबल है, ये हाफ और ये डबल, दैट मींस ये सेकेंड ऑर्डर है. ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट अप्रोक्सीमेट इक्वल होगा, ऑर्डर हो जाएगा सेकेंड. टेक्स्ट मी अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 54. इज इट क्लियर? फास्ट अबाउट 54. टेक्स्ट मी फास्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 54. Fast. Once more, okay? 54 once more. Yes. I'll discuss again. $54 clear? Okay. Listen. मैं एक बार फिर से डिस्कस करता हूं, आप हाफ लाइफ को समझो. आप जिसको दिक्कत है राइट करो. लिसन, जीरो ऑर्डर हाफ लाइफ A by 2K, हाफ लाइफ by A is equal to 1 by 2K. Clear? That is, in zero order, half life by A is equal to constant. Listen, in zero order, ratio of half life and initial conc is constant. Yeah, it may be written as T half. It may be written as T half by pressure is equal to constant for gaseous reactant. Write down, for zero order, half life directly proportional and hence ratio constant. Ratio constant. Clear? Clear? No. Second order. First order. First order. T half 0.693 by K. T half is equal to constant. That means independent from conc. Always independent from conc. In first order, half life always constant. Now, second order, look at both. T half is equal to 1 by K. It is formula of half life of second order. ये सेकेंड ऑर्डर के हाफ लाइफ का फॉर्मूला है। कैन आई राइट टी हाफ इंटू ए इज इक्वल टू 1/k, टी हाफ इंटू ए इज इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टेंट। यानी आप जानो सेकेंड ऑर्डर में टी हाफ 1 इंटू A1 इज इक्वल टू टी हाफ 2 इंटू A2, ओनली फॉर सेकेंड ऑर्डर। ये दोनों देखो, जीरो में हाफ लाइफ कौन का रेशियो कांस्टेंट, फर्स्ट में हाफ लाइफ कांस्टेंट, सेकेंड में दोनों का प्रोडक्ट कांस्टेंट, और थर्ड ऑर्डर को मैं दिखा रहा हूं। लिसन, थर्ड ऑर्डर ये ओनली एप्लीकेबल फॉर सेकेंड। नाउ थर्ड ऑर्डर, इन थर्ड ऑर्डर half life is equal to 3/2 Ka squared, 3/2 Ka squared, and hence T half into A squared is equal to 3/2 K. That means T half into A squared is equal to constant, and hence it may be written as, listen, T half 1 into A1 squared is equal to T half 2 into A2 squared. ये थर्ड ऑर्डर का रिलेशन आपके क्वेश्चन में यहां 364 170 है, ये है, बट यहां पे जो टाइम दिया है 420 और 880, आप ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाइड, ये दोनों को करेंगे, अप्रॉक्सीमेट इक्वल होगा, और इसीलिए ऑर्डर क्या होगा सर। अगर आप ए का स्क्वायर मतलब इसका स्क्वायर करते तब मल्टीप्लाइड, इसका स्क्वायर इंटू मल्टीप्लाइड, तब जाके होता थर्ड, और इसीलिए यहां पे ऑर्डर जो होगा वो क्या होगा 54, सॉरी ऑर्डर क्या होगा सेकेंड ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट 55, फॉर व्हिच ऑर्डर half life independent from initial concentration, always first order, always first order, because half life is equal to 0.693/k, independent from initial count. Very clear? Next 56, for a reaction half life, listen, for a reaction half life is equal to 1/k, and always keep in mind it is second order half life, it is second order, ये आपको याद रखना है फॉर्मूला ऑफ सेकेंड ऑर्डर हाफ लाइफ, 1/k ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन सेकेंड, कई बार मैंने आपके लिखा है। क्लियर? ऑर्डर सेकेंड। नेक्स्ट 57, a chemical system is in equilibrium. Listen, ये क्वेश्चन इक्विलिब्रियम से आ गया, लेकिन चलो कोई बात नहीं। A chemical system is in equilibrium, the addition of a catalyst would result is, कैटलिस्ट क्या करता है सुन लो, रिएक्शन के रेट को बढ़ाता है, इक्विलिब्रियम को आगे पीछे, टाइम को आगे पीछे कर दे। Option, increase the amount of heat evolved, no. A new reaction pathway, reaction in the rate of reverse, increase in rate of reverse, increase in rate of forward. Listen, ये सिर्फ रेट को क्या करता है, चेंज करता है। कैटलिस्ट रिएक्शन के रेट को करता है। इंक्रीज द अमाउंट ऑफ हीट, नो, किसी रिएक्शन में कितना हीट निकलेगा वो नहीं, उसको नहीं चेंज करेगा। अ न्यू रिएक्शन पाथवे टू रिएक्शन, अ न्यू रिएक्शन पाथवे टू रिएक्शन, इंक्रीज इन द रेट ऑफ रिवर्स रिएक्शन, इंक्रीज इन द रेट ऑफ फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन। रिवर्स और फॉरवर्ड दोनों हो जाएगा, ये रिवर्स और फॉरवर्ड दोनों ऑप्शन हो जाएगा। क्लियर? ये दोनों का रेट चेंज कर दे, फॉरवर्ड का भी रेट चेंज करेगा और बैकवर्ड का भी रेट चेंज, मैंने इक्विलिब्रियम ये सब डिस्कस कर दिया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 58, द एक्सीलरेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोलाइसिस ऑफ एस्टर by proton is an example of, listen, the hydrolysis of ester by proton is an example of, ester का जो हाइड्रोलाइसिस होगा, प्रोटॉन दैट मीन्स H प्लस, प्रोटॉन दैट मीन्स H प्लस, तो हाइड्रोलाइसिस ऑफ रिएक्शन है तो H प्लस का, इसको आप हाइड्रोजिनेशन कैटालिसिस बोलेंगे। ये रिएक्शन क्या हो जाएगा, हाइड्रोजिनेशन कैटालिसिस। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट अबाउट 59, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर डज नॉट इन्फ्लुएंस द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन। लिसन, रिएक्शन का जो रेट होता है, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, पहले आप ये जाओ फैक्टर्स